Hey everyone, Nadine Wilkins here, and I wanted to jump on to share 3 tips, 3 things that you can do right now to grow and expand your business. This message is for my entrepreneurial parents. I know with everything going on, you may just want to sit back, you may just want to shrink and feel like, you know what, now may not be the right time. But I'm here to tell you that now is the right time. I'm literally at the airport, just flew back home. The hubby just loaded up the car and I said, let me jump on. So let's jump into these 3 tips. The first thing that you want to do is solve a problem. What problem do you want to solve? And specialize in that problem. The second thing that you want to do is you want to create a streamlined system for your customers and clients to follow. Third, you want to create a red carpet experience for them, and you want to serve your customers and your clients at a very high level. So if you are an entrepreneurial parent and you're like, man, I don't know if now is the right time, but I really had this idea, or I really want to start a business, or I really want to work from home, definitely check out my new case study video on my website. Go to workwithnadine.com, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Drop a line. Today is National Sons Day, so drop a line. What's an idea that you wanted to get off the ground, or what's a business that you wanted to start that you have not had the opportunity to do? Check it out. Check out my website, workwithnadine.com. Take care and God bless.